and
Never would I think I could get Virginia's Monthly better on WFAR than WRVA. Nice interference, dog.
Gary knows Bonnie on, and absolutely right. All right, and at the end of tonight, I will reveal what this station is participating in a test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.
Come on, chop chop. Why? Why?
Later.
Now they're going. Only took you like, I don't know, like 3-4 minutes. That's bloody weekly, mate. That's bloody weekly. Just gonna make extra sure that things are working, I guess. Yeah, man, I totally didn't need Tropo at all. Thanks, Tropo. You're going early.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Well, now they actually go immediately.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
So they finally got their DAS deck set up properly.
When we are saying
About time.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
What's so wild is that this is such an unforgettable moment for the NBA, for the history, for all the fans. I remember where I was when I watched LeBron set the all-time record. We're never going to see this again. This was 40 years
I don't know
going
if you heard that. I was trying to go for WNML, but for some reason, 990 is just clogged up with nonsense. Yeah. I don't know what's going on right there. No, it is. Wait. I can't tell who's going. Okay, so it was you. Okay. I have no idea if anyone else went. You're going. That wasn't the cleanest signal ever.
Either.
Oh, don't you fade during the test. Yeah, Tropo don't need it. Don't need it at all. Don't need WTAM in my life. Which I have not been able to get at all. For some reason. I don't know why I'm never able to get WTAM anymore. Oh, they're going. I barely heard an attention tone. Wow. I don't even think the camera picked that up, but I definitely heard an attention tone and then EOMs. Good lord. Well, how's Tropo's just as bad as themselves? Oh, at least I'm getting WCKY alright. I think. Okay. Not sure why WXL70 didn't go.
North Carolina. The current time is 11 a.m. Lows in the lower 30s.
Let's just wait for everyone else.
4 degrees. In Rock Hill, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 62 degrees. Elsewhere in North Carolina, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 56 at Spaceville, 61 at Greensboro, 65 at Raleigh.
Really? I set you on KJYD5 for a reason.
The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL70's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially over receivers will be automatically answered to order the signal.
Oh my God.
Are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and one more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though
Of course, the AC adapter.
the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL 70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475, be activated for the Charlotte counties, in Pennsylvania, Cherokee, Chester, in North Carolina, Virginia, and York, and in North Carolina, Cleveland, Mecklenburg, Union, Wilson, Cindy, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the More Weather Review. South winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday,
Should have just unplugged this.
rain. Highs in the lower 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, up to 30 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of rain.
Well, that's another full week that you're going to have check reception. And you're also going to have 10-day century.
To McNair, ball was stripped loose, picked up by Adam Miller, and in traffic he'll settle down, curl around and bring it into the front court for LSU, and we've got 2 minutes to go here in the first half.
Why are EAS alerts interrupting my sports?
Stations and cable systems of your area. Emergency alert system equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, flood, evacuation, toxic release, or any emergency that you, the public, should be timely alerted, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves as a vital part of the Louisiana State Emergency Alert System. This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System.
Get back to the game. I want to hear about the foots and the balls. That's more of Louisiana's fault than anything WWL has to. That's not WWL's fault, actually, because for some goddamn reason they decided not only to test today, they decided to postpone to today because they were here. Okay, so last night they actually they tried sending the RMT, which was scheduled for last night at 11:45. They sent it at 11:35, but as a practice demo warning, so it didn't even get it didn't get relayed by anyone, including WWL. Then today, they didn't even wait the full day. They just decided to barge right in at 9:30 while there was a game going on, and now people are going to be very upset. So that's what's happening. A little early. Oh, I'm actually getting it clear enough so I could actually hear what's being said in the audio message. That's a miracle in the works right there.